one thing I like to do is use a script to grade my forms. So I've created this form called PD test. And now I'd like to grade it. So my students took the test, did it at home or in class, and now I have the results. So I'll open it up, and you can see I have 4 students who took the test. One of them is named Key, and this was my answer key. And I use the name Key just to remember that that's the one that has all the correct answers. So now what I can do is I can go to Tools, Script Gallery, and I'll have to search for a script called Flubaroo. Once I've found Flubaroo, I'll need to click on Install. It takes a minute to install Flubaroo, and you'll have to do this for every spreadsheet that you would like to have graded. Once Flubaroo is installed, you'll notice there's a new menu called Flubaroo. I'll click on it and I can grade assignment. And I get a warning message saying it needs authorization to this script. I'll hit OK. I can now run the script, click on Close, and I'll do that again. Grade assignment. And step 1 comes up and it asks me a few questions about these questions. So the question name identifies the student, that's correct. Where is Island School located? 1 point. What have you learned about Google Forms? This is a short answer question, so I'm going to skip grading it so I can answer it on my own later. And what is my middle name? That was a question for the kids, so I'll give it a 1 point value. I continue. And it goes through, and now it will ask me which selection I would like to use as my answer key. And since I named one of them Key, I'll select that one and continue. It has now finished grading my assessment. And I can look and I can view my grades, and I can see that Joe missed one of the questions and got a 50%. It gives me points possible, average points. And one nice feature of Flubaroo is if I had asked the students to enter their email address or required it when I created the form, I could then go to Flubaroo, email grades, and it would send a grade report to each individual student with just their grades. Flubaroo is a great tool to use for grading these assessments. Hopefully you'll start to use it.